Hello friends, welcome to another educational video in the field of industrial electricity. In this video, we will wire a three-phase electrical panel. Please stay with me and pay attention to the step of process. In the first step, we install the equipment in the electrical panel. The first device is a three-phase RCCB switch. This switch is used as the main switch in the electrical panel and supplies power to the entire panel. This switch protects the circuit against electrocution or electric shock. The second switch is a single-phase miniature switch breaker that supplies power to the control circuit. This is a phase voltage control relay designed for protecting the circuit against phase loss. The wiring introduction will be provided shortly. This electrical panel has several single-phase outputs, for each of which we use a single-phase miniature switch. These miniature switches protect the circuit against short circuit. This electrical panel includes a three-phase contactor output that operates on a timer. This is a timer relay for it. This is a contactor for three-phase output. To protect the three-phase output from overcurrent, we also use a current monitoring relay, which is installed alongside the contactor. Now we install the input and output terminals. This four-terminal configuration is for the three-phase input and the neutral input to the electrical panel. These terminals are for three-phase outputs. These terminals are for the single-phase output of the air conditioner, one of which for high speed, one of which for low speed, and one of which for the water pump. The blue terminal is for the neutral. These terminals for the single-phase output. And these are four additional terminals that provide three-phase electricity directly from the electrical panel. The installation of equipment is finished. Now we start the wiring. Now we connect the three-phase and neutral wire from the input terminals to the input of the RCCB switch. This is for the first phase. This is for the second phase. This is for the third phase. And this is for the neutral wire. Please pay attention to the wiring. Now we connect three phases from the output of the RCCB switch to the input of the miniature switch. Also, we connect the three phases from the output of the RCCB switch to the input of the contactor. Also, we connect three phases to the three-phase monitoring relay. This is for the first phase. This is for the second phase. This is for the third phase. Pay attention to the wiring. Now we connect three phase from the output of the contactor to the output terminals. However, before that, we pass the three-phase wire through the whole of the current controlling relay so that the output current of the three phases can be calculated and displayed, allowing the circuit to the disconnecting if necessary. This work is done. Please pay attention to the wiring. Now we connect single phase from the output of the miniature switch to the output terminals. All of the neutral terminal need a neutral wire. Now we connect the neutral wire from the neutral output of the RCCB switch to the all neutral terminal. To control the connection and disconnection of some outputs, we have installed several selector switches on the door of the electrical panel. Additionally, three signal lights indicate the active status of each phase. The inputs of these three selector switches are connected to the output of their corresponding miniature circuit breakers. And the output of which of them is connected to its corresponding output terminal. This switch is used for turning the three-phase contactor output on and off. The input of this switch is connected to the output of the phase controller relay labeled as 18. The output of this selector switch is connected to the input of the phase controller relay, which is labeled as PH and C. Then from its output labeled as NO, normally open, we connect the coil of the contactor. The wiring is finished. This is a simple wiring diagram of an electrical panel. Please pay attention to it. This video is finished. If you liked the video, please press the like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Goodbye.